Okay, for number 7, you don't have to do both problems. You only have to do one. So I'm going to do both, but you don't have to do both. So which one of these represents 4 divided by 1/3? So that means you start off with 4, and then you see how many thirds go into 4. So which one of these starts with 4? This one starts with 4 holes. This one starts with 4 holes. This does not start with 4 holes. Does not start with 4 holes. This one definitely does not start with 4 holes. This one starts with 1 hole, and this one starts with 1 1/3. We need something to start with 4. So it's got to be these two. Then it says you're seeing how many thirds go into 4. Well, this one doesn't, you can't really count all the thirds because you don't really see the thirds here. Here you can. How many thirds go into 4 here? Well, you've got 3 here, you got 3 here, you got 3 here, and you got 3 here. So 12 thirds fit into 4. So this one shows, because it shows that 12 1/3 go into 4 holes. And some of you went and checked. So this is my check. So if you do 4 divided by 1/3, this is 4 over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1, which equals, multiplied by the reciprocal, which equals 12. So it matches. Now, if you had attempted B instead of A, this is not the same thing. This one starts with 4, and then you see how many thirds go into 4. This one, you start with a third. And then you want to see how many, if you partition this third into 4 pieces, how big is each piece? So which one of these starts with a third? Which one of these shows a third being partitioned into 4 pieces? Okay, this does not show, I mean, you've got a whole bunch of thirds, but none of them are being partitioned. Now here's a third, but I don't know what all these other, this one doesn't show. Here shows a third being partitioned into 4 pieces. So this shows, C shows 1/3 partitioned or divided into 4 pieces.